Okay guys, today we are gonna make a parachute. I'm gonna make mine for an egg, but I also have army men, so my kids are gonna do that later. I would suggest if you're doing an egg that you ask your parents' permission and you conduct the experiment outside. You need our parachute sheet, which your parents can find on this blog. So the first thing is to fill out today's date. And here's our question. Can you make a parachute to support your army man or your egg? Now, if you don't have army men or your parents won't let you use an egg, you can also use a Lego person or a little animal figure, whatever you want. So before we get started, what do you know about parachutes? I want you to think about what you've seen on cartoons or videos. What do you know about a parachute? What does it do? If you don't know anything about them, it's fine to write, I don't know. So go ahead and pause and either draw a picture of what you think a parachute looks like or write a sentence about what you know. You can have your parents help you and then come right back to me. Okay, I'm assuming you have filled out the what do I know section. Here are some of the ideas of things you can use, and I added a few more. Coffee filters, which you might have at home, tissue paper. You could also use bubble wrap or an egg carton. You can use plastic straws or pipe cleaners, string. You're definitely gonna need some tape and probably some scissors. You're gonna decide how you want to make your parachute. So I'm gonna use a couple coffee filters. I'm gonna use more than one because I want it to be thick. And I'm going to use 2 straws, I decided. And I'm going to use tape and my egg. So what I'm gonna do, and I'll pause the video and then come back, is I'm going to tape my straws inside my coffee filters and then to the egg. I'll be right back to show you. Okay, I'm back. So what I did was I taped my straws to the inside of my coffee filters. I used several pieces. I did that on both sides, and then I put a couple pieces of tape around the coffee filters so that they would stick together. Then I taped the straws to the egg, and I actually wrapped tape the whole way around because I wanted to make sure it wouldn't come off. And I'm gonna bend the straws out so that they separate a little bit. And my hope is that when this goes down, my coffee filter will act as a parachute. We're going to go out and try it in just a second, but first you need to go back to your lab sheet. We need to make a prediction. So if you're doing this along with me, you need to make a guess or a prediction. What do you think is gonna happen to the egg? Do you think it's gonna land safely, or do you think it's going to splat? Draw me a picture and or write for me what you think is going to happen. I can't wait to show you.
And go.
All right guys, we're back. My kiddos, do you think that the egg is going to break or stay?
Stay.
Stay whole? What do you think? Break. I don't know. I don't know that I made a very secure parachute. We're gonna find out. I'm bending my straws.
Heavy.
All right, we're gonna follow it down and we're gonna see what happens. I'm dropping it from the tree fort on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Check on it. Did it work?
Yes.
Did it break?
No.
Wow, that's a miracle.
Try it.
Go figure. Okay, guys, you need to... Okay guys, I want you to draw a picture and write the results. Our egg did not break. It's a miracle. Now, if there was a rock below it, it definitely would have broken. But the parachute slowed it just enough to make enough of a soft landing where it did not break. So then, once you log off of our video, make sure that you write down or talk to your parents about what you learned today. I also have included a short video on parachutes in the link on my blog. Take a look, and don't forget to create your own, just like my kiddos are doing today.